In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay can't use for Uber or delivery apps. First, open the Uber or delivery apps you're using and check the payment or wallet section to confirm that Apple Pay is selected as the active payment method and that the card linked to Apple Pay is valid and not expired. Next, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, since compatibility issue can prevent Apple Pay from working inside apps. Check that you are signed in to the correct Apple ID and that iCloud is enabled for wallet in your device settings, because Apple Pay relies on iCloud to function in third-party apps. If Apple Pay still won't work, remove Apple Pay as a payment method in app and add it again, or remove and re-add your card in the wallet app to refresh verification. If the issue continues, contact your bank or card issuer to confirm there are no restrictions on in-app or online payment, or reach out to the app support team for further assistance. So that's it.